Hey y'all, it's that time again. It's Math with Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today's lesson, multiplying radicals. Alright, so let's look at an example. I'm going to take 3 times the square root of 2, and I'm going to multiply it by, say, the square root of 2. Okay, well, what this means is that the 3 can be multiplied, and I can take the stuff that's under the square root radical together. So that's a 2 and a 2, and I can group, bringing this guy out, so that I have 3 times 2, which is 6. So this one nicely got rid of the radical. But there's going to be ones where they don't get rid of the radical. Let's say I have 3 square roots of 2 times the square root of 5. Well, this is 3 times the square root of 2 times 5, and this would be 3 square roots of 10, because I don't have any doubles underneath the radical. And there's my final answer for that. That's doing monomial type multiplication. Let's look at one maybe just a little bit more intense. I'm going to do 5 square roots of 2. No harder. Remember, intense, we're just stepping it up a level, but the concept is all still the same. 5 square roots of 2 times the square root of 6. Alright, well this is 5 times the square root of 2 times 6. Well, 6 is not a prime number, so I'm going to rewrite this as 5 times the square root of 2 times, now the square root of 6. This 6 right here factors into a 2 times 3. And that means I have a group of 2 that look exactly alike that can come out. So I have 5 times 2, and what's left under the radical stays there. So that would be the square root of 3. So this is 10 square roots of 3. And so I was able to get out a 2 because the 6 had a factor of 2 in it. Now, I'm going to step it up again, just a little bit. Y'all can do this. I have faith in you. We're going to do a problem that is a binomial type problem. So let's look at here. 5 square roots of 3 times, and here comes my binomial, 3 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 3. Now I'm going to use the box method. All right, so here's my box. Okay, I have 2 terms right here, so that means I have to have a divider. I only have 1 term over here, so I don't need a divider. Then I have 3 square root of 2 here, and negative 4 square root of 3 here. Now, so I have 5 times 3 times the square root of 3 times 2. Remember, the stuff under the radical comes together. And then I have 5 times negative 4 times the square root of 3 and another square root of 3. Now I just simplify for what's inside the boxes. This is 15 square root of 6. And over here, what I want you to notice is I have a group that can come out. So I have 5 times negative 4 times 3. So I have 15 square root of 6. And let's see, 5 times negative 4 is negative 20 times 3. That would make that negative 60. And this, right here, is the answer. Right, we're going to do a couple problems in class. And I have a question for you. The question is, what type of answers do you get out when you operate with radicals or irrational numbers? Y'all take care. Have a good evening. Talk to you later. Bring your questions to class. Bye.